This is gonna be fun. Let's go. Let's chug some soda pop. Alright guys, so today's challenge is a 2.40 liter Dr. Pepper YES Burp soda chug. This is the third or fourth video of the YES Burp soda chug videos. The last three have done pretty well and you guys seem to enjoy them. Today I decided to come back with the fourth video of the YES Burp soda chug videos. As you guys can see here and also by the title, today we have here a Dr. Pepper. No, this is not a normal Dr. Pepper. This is Dr. Pepper and cream soda pop. Today, I'm just gonna be seeing how fast I can take down this Dr. Pepper and cream soda pop as fast as possible. You guys already know what it is. I always thought that Dr. Pepper was probably like one of the least favorite soda pops that I've ever drank. I don't know why, but hopefully that changes today. Before we get into this chug, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. You guys already know what it is. Just go down below, spam the like button, and you'll get $1 million by tomorrow morning. I don't know what I'm saying right now. 2.40 liters of Dr. Pepper and cream soda, YES Burp soda chug, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Go. Last two to go. These are so acidy, so carbonated. Let's go. Alright, last one, let's go. These don't taste that great. Smash that like button. That was a 2.40 liters of Dr. Pepper cream soda pop as fast as possible, as fast as I could. Honestly, that didn't even taste like cream soda. I haven't even had cream soda in years, so I really don't even know what cream soda pop tastes like anymore. It just tastes like regular Dr. Pepper. Doesn't taste like cream soda at all. On a scale of 10, I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't the worst thing that I've chugged on this channel. It just tastes like Dr. Pepper. That was part 4 of the YES Burp soda chug challenge. Lately, I have been thinking of a lot of things, a lot of ways I could do these soda chugs and stuff like that. My content in general, so it doesn't feel like the videos are being too repetitive, because I know I have been uploading a lot of soda pop videos, stuff like that. But I have a lot of things changing as far as content and stuff like that. So just to make it a little bit more entertaining, as you guys know, it's still gonna be lit. I'm just gonna change things up a bit. So just to make sure my content, my videos are just not too repetitive, because I felt that for the past 6-8 months or something like that. But I'm only learning as I grow, as we grow. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Road to 2K. You guys already know what it is. We're so close to it, so let's get it. I'm more than happy to see what's gonna happen like within the next few months, because I got some things like in works. I don't want to explain it right now. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you need to stay lit, and always stay lit. I'll see you guys on the next one, and we're out. Guys, I swear to God, I can't even speak English. I wish I could show you guys like the clips of me like saying things over and stuff like that, because like I just don't have any English in me. Je viens de poster une nouvelle vidéo. I don't know what I'm saying. We're out.